let's say this is true. All serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches. That's an A claim. All serious remarks are hopeless cliches. And we are saying that that is true. Now the key is to deduce the values of the other claims that we can make here. Now let's look at this one. All serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches. Now how do we translate that into the form of an O claim?
Some serious remarks by Paris Hilton are not hopeless cliches.
Correct. All right, do we see how that translation went? Everybody understand that? You're simply putting a sum in front of the serious remarks and are not hopeless cliches. Now, here's the trick. If the A claim is true, what's the value of the claim that you just described?
It's not true.
It is not true, correct. Laura just said she's correct. And that's always the case with contradictory claims. They're always going to have a different truth value. And I think that's the first one. So then the contradictory claim is false. Some serious remarks by Paris Hilton are not hopeless cliches. That is going to be false. Now, how about the contrary claim? Well, the contrary claim is going to be false. Now, what is the contrary claim? The claim that would go right here. Yeah.
No serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches.
Correct. And that's going to be false if the A claim is true. So now, just by knowing the A claim, we've been able to deduce the truth value of the corresponding O claim and the E claim. Now, how about the subaltern or the I claim? If we know that the A claim is true, what's the truth value of the I claim?
It's true.
Correct. Very good. And can you translate the A claim into the I claim?
Some serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches.
Correct. Some serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches, and if the A claim is true, if it's true that all serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches, then it's certainly true that some serious remarks by Paris Hilton are hopeless cliches. So, what's happened here is that by knowing the value of the the A claim, knowing that's true, we are able to deduce the truth values of all the other claims in the square of opposition. Now, we are going to be able to do that if there's a true claim on the top. If you have a true claim up here, you can deduce all the other values in the square. And if you have a false claim on the bottom, and here an I or O claim, if you have a false claim there, you can deduce all the other values of the square of opposition. However, if you have a false claim on the top or a true value on the bottom, then you're only going to be able to deduce the contradictories. You're only going to be able to deduce the contradictories. So, do you understand how that works? Once again, if you have a true claim in one of these areas on the top, you'll be able to deduce all the other values in the square of opposition. If you have a false claim in the I or O area, then you can deduce all the other areas. But if you have a false claim on the top and a true claim on the bottom, or a true claim on the bottom, then you can only deduce the contradictory claims. So it depends on which claim you're dealing with and the truth value of it. Sometimes you can deduce all of the corners of the square of opposition. Sometimes you can only deduce the contradictory claims. Any questions? All right. Now, I I have some homework for us.